my gosh, I'm gonna spill this. Ready and commit. There's a bubble.
I chase bad bitches, accolades, got will, son, no castaway. I'm twice as good, get half the praise. Throw a sniper up and I blast away. You ain't getting through me. Somehow I've been here 10 hours. My
Ordered Opa.
rising and falling together, though, like we the Twin Towers. Nothing's taken, I'm frustrated. If I could only get just to blaze it, ain't no doubt that I'd muster greatness. No chip off of that old block. All eyes on me, but I'm no pack. Fully loaded off gold shots. That bass will knock you like cold cocks. I'm number one. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. I'ma get it cause I can, cause I can, cause I can. Am I fitted in my vans, in my vans, in my vans? I think baby girl a fan, she a fan, she a fan.
Yoga mats. There's yoga mats. Do I got ketchup?
On records, got records on buckets, I'm riding around in a room. I take your beat right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. We the whole wall. Drop top. Raindrop. Drop top. Hot top. Smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah. Dot, dot, dot. Cooking up dope in the pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. They come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Arrows on me, keep me company. Hey, you do the most, yeah. Pull up and goes, yeah. My diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send this bitch to Uber. I'm young and rich plus I'm bougie.